in number 9th, in this one, what will happen? Cosec, what I will do is change it into sine, because cosec is related to sine. Cosec is opposite of sine, so cosec will be 1 by sine A. Sine A will remain same. And sec, same with the sec also we will do. Sec is the opposite of cos. Cos A equal to, now this side what I will do, tan, we have a formula tan. For tan, formula is what? Sin A by cos A. Now for cot, I have told you the derived formulas, no? So if tan is sin by cos, so cot is opposite of tan, so opposite of this. Try to understand. Did you understand now? So tan is sin by cos, that is your formula, okay? But cot is opposite of tan, so tan, that means opposite of this, okay? So try to understand. This all are very complicated things. So it will become, cot will become opposite of this, that means cos A by sin. Okay. Now next step, what we'll do here is LCM. So if nothing is there, there is means 1 is there. Now LCM, when you do, so see, everywhere I'll do LCM, okay? So just see how I am doing. So sin A and 1, what will be your LCM? Sin A into 1 gives me sin A, okay? 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into what will be sin A? 1 into sin A will be sin A. That sin A into this sin A will become sin A whole square, or I can write sin square A. Is it clear? Same with the cos also. So I will not explain much. There is 1, so cos A and 1 will become cos A. It will become 1 minus cos A into cos A becomes cos square A. If you are getting confused with the formula, so in here we can do is that same cross multiplication. So 1 into this sin A and 1 LCM is sin A. 1 into 1 is 1. Sin A into sin A is sin A square. So which way you want to remember, you can remember. Okay. So both way it is correct answer will come. Okay. That is the universal truth, universal application of that rule. And here we can use in some questions you can do this way. Okay. Now 1 is 1, here nothing we did. Then here also we will apply LCM. Okay. Now here LCM when you do, so what is there? Down. So see, this 1 is separated, that one you separate, and this whole part is there. Now here sin A and cos A, means cos A and sin A. What will be the LCM? When I say different numbers are there, so if you remember 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, what happened? 3, 2, LCM becomes 6. No? So here sin A and cos A, if you cannot do anything, just sin A, so LCM comes sin A cos A. We cannot do anything. Okay, just multiply them. So if you multiply, when you multiply x and y, what happens? XY. Okay, if you multiply x and y, xy it becomes. Is it or not? So same way. So this in cos A and sin A becomes sin A cos A. Okay. So anyway you can write cos A sin A also, same thing it will become. Now upper one you see. So you can use cross multiplication method if you want, or it's longer way it will become cos A. Okay, I'll use the longer one first. Cos A into what will give me cos A sin A? Cos A into sin A will give me cos A sin A. Is it or not? Cos A into sin A will give me cos A sin A. Is it or not? This sin A into this sin A will give me sin square A plus. Same, this is also sin A into cos A will give me cos A will become cos square A. And if you do the cross multiplication method, simple one, what will happen? Sin A cos A multiplied, sin A sin square A, cos A cos A cos square A. This is the simplest one. Okay, the simple one also you can use, or this way also you can use. Now, clear this one? Till here it is clear. Okay. Now here we will use that first rule of the trigonometric identity. What is your first rule? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. If I bring this cos square A this side, so it will become sin. If I bring the sin square sin square theta that side, so remaining is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Is it or not? The sin square theta will go that side. Huh? So this 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. 1 minus sin square A is our cos square A. Okay? This bracket means into. Now I'll open the brackets. Now 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus cos square A. So if cos square A will go that side, so it will become sin square A. No? Okay? So this will become sin square A by cos A equal to till here is okay. Now what happened that this part, okay, 1 by 3 by 4, suppose it is like this, okay, main by is this one. You have to be clear which one is your main by. Main upon is this one is your main upon coming, is it or not? This just now it became, okay, so this is down part, this is your upper part is just 1, or you can say there is 1 by 1, okay, we can say like that also, if nothing there, so there is 1. Now what happened when you write this one? So 1 into what will happen, this one 4 by 3 it becomes, okay. So same way in this also, what will become? It will become 1 into this whole is up down, upside down, sin A cos A by sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, whole full set only upside down. Is it clear this one? This step also is clear. Okay, I'm going each one step. Okay, see all steps having very important crucial points are there. Okay, so that's why I'm going slowly. Now here what happened, if I see this sign is sin A and this sign is square A, there is square, there is 1, is it not? So 1 and I can cut, sin A will cut with this square becomes sin A. Okay, understand? And same cos A will cut here, it will become cos A. So sin A into cos A becomes, I can write sin A cos A equal to now this side 1 plus sin A cos A, 1 into sin A cos A, so it will become sin A cos A upon sin square A cos square A. What is your formula? Sin square A cos square A equal to 1. So this whole thing becomes 1. Understand now? This implies LHS equal to RHS. This is engineering because it will not stand, so I did like this. Now, so this is there. Suppose what you have to do is you have to solve this one equal to this one equal to this one. So anyway we can do. So what I will do is this question I will prove it to tan square A. this question also I'll prove it to tan square A. So that means all are equal. Okay, that way it will be equal. Understand now? So first we will take this one. Take 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to, now what we will do is tan, that formula, okay, your basic formula for tan, that is your sin by cos, 1 plus tan square, if tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, this is your formula. So if it is a square, so it will be square everywhere. Okay, so tan square A will become sin square A by cos square A whole by 1 plus cot square A will be cos square A by sin square A. Is it clear or not? That from here to here. Okay, so just tan becomes sin by cos. Cot, I told you reverse of tan, that means cos by sin. Okay, now here also LCM. So there is nothing means 1 is there. Okay, same. So what will become 1 and cos square A, cos square A, cos square A into 1 cos square A plus sin is cos square A, 1 ja cos square A, so it will become sin square A whole by. So is there anything doubt with the LCM? So I'll just explain the LCM again once more, that cos square A and 1 will become cos square A, then shortcut one, if we do cos square A into 1 will become cos square A, 1 into sin square A will become sin square A. Okay, easiest one. Then now down one, same, there is nothing means 1, so it will become sin square A, sin square A into 1 sin square A plus cos square A into 1 will become cos square A. Now this is sin square A plus cos square A, is it or not? So sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So it will become 1 by cos square A whole by, this is also sin square A plus cos square A, 1 by sin square A is equal to, it will become 1 by cos square A into this 1 by sin square A will go upside down, reciprocal. So it will become sin square A by 1. Sin square A into 1 will become sin square A by cos square A into 1 will become cos square A. Sin by cos square A, just now here we put, no, that is tan square A. So that we have proved. This part is equal to tan square A, we have proved. Okay, now second part. Take 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. Process is more or less same, little calculation will be different. So here it was a square, so we put sin square cos square. There is tan A, so we'll just put sin by cos. Understand? No? So tan form 1 minus sin A by cos A by 1 minus cos A by sin A whole square. So I'm not explaining much because of same process here also. So if there is nothing means 1, so cos A into 1 will become cos A. Cos A 1 ja cos A minus sin A whole by, there is also 1 sin A minus cos A. So it's not like here, what happened here, it was cos square A plus sin square A became 1. Okay, here is not cos square A sin square A. Cos A minus sin A it is becoming. So we cannot do anything with this. So we'll just reciprocal them. Okay. So it will become cos A minus sin A by cos A into, this one will get reciprocal, sin A by sin A minus cos A whole square. So is there any doubt here? From here to here LCM taking, from here LCM to this reciprocal. Anything doubt? After this, what will happen? See, this one thing we will do from here. Okay, so I'll explain here this part. Suppose I say 4 minus 3 is there. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is your 1. Okay. Now, if I say minus 4 plus 3, which will give me minus 1. Okay. So, if I, now here, how will I explain this thing is, okay, with numbers no need, directly we will do. Now what we will do here is, okay, I will do minus, multiply, see minus, I will multiply, 2 minus I will multiply. 2 minus will give me what? Plus only. Minus minus is plus. Minus minus is plus. Okay, so same thing I will do here also. What I will do is 1 minus I will take, okay, and 1 minus I will put inside. Minus cos A plus sin A. Why I will do that one I will explain little later. So this minus I have put extra, and because of this minus I put extra inside also. So that gives me, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. This part I don't know you understood or not, because this is very important. In next 2 questions we need this thing, how to do this minus thing. Okay. So what I did here is 2 minus I multiplied, 1 I kept outside, 1 minus I put it inside of this whole equation. Okay, so this gives me, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Okay, so other things will remain same, by cos A. Why I did, I will explain that part also. Sin A by sin A minus cos A whole square. So why I did, to make this one same. Okay, just see, this is sin A minus cos A, and this one also now became sin A minus cos A. Okay, to make them same, I did this one. Okay, so this is sin A minus cos A. Now it is also sin A minus cos A. It was earlier minus sin A plus cos A it was. If I compare with this one, it is becoming sin A minus cos A. It is becoming minus sin A plus cos A. So the sign difference was there. Okay, so because of, to make them same, I did this one. Okay, now either you can cut here also, or you can write next step where you can write this one sin A minus cos A. So I'll cut here only. Okay, this cuts with this one. Is it clear this one, how this one similar? Okay, if I write minus 3 plus 4 or 4 minus 3, what will we will get? In both way answer will come 1. Understood or not? I'll write minus 3 plus 4A or 4 minus 3. Same, 1 only will come. Is it not? Here plus minus is minus, then after 4 is bigger, plus sign, so plus sign will come. Is it not? And here is 4 minus 3, simple quotient. Okay. So same thing here also. Sin A minus cos A plus sin A, or sin A minus cos A is same thing. Okay. but these are two different things. Now after this, what will come from here? Minus this got cut, sin A by cos A whole square. Okay, which gives me minus square plus sin square will be sin square A, cos square will be cos square A, equal to sin square A by cos square A equal to tan square A. So number third part. Now in this question, what you will do, first you will make it into everything will be into sin and cos. Okay, so first is easy. So sin and cos, how you will make? Tan theta is your sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus cot theta. Now you have understood cot is your cos by sin, we can do. Because so many questions we have done. Plus cot theta will become sin cos theta by sin theta. One minus sin theta by cos theta. Equal to, now there we will do LCM. Upper one we will not do anything till now. Sin theta by cos theta whole by, this one will become, so I am not explaining LCM now because we have done so many questions. So sin theta minus cos theta plus this side cos theta by sin theta whole by this one, what is there? 1 cos theta minus sin theta equal to, now in this question, now we will do reciprocal of this whole set, means we will make it simpler. So it will become sin theta by cos theta, this will go get reciprocal into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus this side cos theta by sin theta, this will get reciprocal into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now one thing you be careful that one is plus doing, one is multiplication. Here is multiplication, here is not LCM. People used to do mistake. Here is LCM, they started taking. There is no LCM, there is just multiplication, but just into. So when you into sin theta, it becomes sin square theta by, this will become just cos theta will be multiplied with sin theta minus cos theta plus, here also cos theta cos square theta by sin theta into this becomes sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so this part we rate same thing. Okay, we did not did anything change. This plus I made it into minus. Okay, and this thing I will do minus now multiplication. How I will do that you have to understand. So upper one we did not did multiplication. Down what I am doing is, if I multiply any one part I will multiply. Either I will multiply here minus sin theta. Okay, but if I don't need this minus here, I need minus here because I have to change this whole set. Okay, now here here when I multiply, so what will happen, this sine theta will remain same and this whole set will change into this one. Directly I am writing, okay, the sine theta whole will become sine theta minus cos theta. This one I am writing direct, but thing is you have to understand what I did. This plus became minus, and because of this plus I made it into minus. Now when you minus you did, so one minus is extra which I put here, which changed this whole into sine theta minus cos theta. This is very confusing because in otherwise you will not remember. Okay, how what I did, plus became minus y. Okay, so this whole thing I have changed, that you have to remember. Clear this one? Okay, clear? Is it clear this one? Okay, now now taking LCM. Now here only will be that broader type of LCM we will need here. Okay, so when you do LCM of this and this, so you can see that this thing is common. Sine theta minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta is same. Okay, so and what is extra? We have cos theta and sine theta. I'll take suppose numbers so you will understand more. Suppose I say 1 by 8 and 5 by 6. What used to be LCM? Okay, what used to become LCM in this? 8 and 6 you will take LCM. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 24 used to be LCM. Okay, it's not 8 6 ja 48 LCM. Okay, when these kind of numbers are there where something is common, so what we have is LCM is your 24, not 8 6 48, not multiplication of them. Okay, same thing we will have here also. Whatever is same we will not take LCM. What we do, suppose I break them into numbers so that it will be easy for you to try to LCM. So 8 can be written as 1 by 2 into 4 plus 5 by 2 into 3. Okay, so when you take LCM, what happened? 2 2 because same, it will come one time, and 4 comes and then 3 comes. Okay, so what happened? Upper one will be same multiplication, whatever we'll do. The down one, what will happen? 2 4 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 coming. Okay, so same thing here with the algebra, with the trigonometric ratios also. Now see, sine theta cos theta are same. What is extra? We have sine theta and cos theta and sine theta are different, and sine theta minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta, it is same. So sine theta minus cos theta is, which is same, it will come only once. Sine theta minus cos theta, it will come only once. And other thing, that is cos theta and sine theta will come one time. So that will come sine theta cos theta. This LCM taking, did you understand or not? Very complicated. Okay, so this and this, when I am taking LCM, so sine theta minus cos theta, which is same, so one time came, and then this cos theta and sine theta, which are different, they came once. Okay, this is clear. Now the upper one also, what will happen? What we have, cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta. That means this whole thing is already there in the down. What is not there is sine theta. In this part, what is not there? This sine theta. That sine theta will multiply with upper sine theta, will give me sine cube theta. Okay, cos theta whole and the bracket sin theta minus cos theta, it is already there. Cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, it is all there. What is not there is sin theta. That sin theta will multiply with this sin square theta, becomes sin cube theta, sin square theta, and then one more sin theta gives me sin cube theta. Clear this one? Huh? Same way this side. Now sin theta is there and sin theta minus cos theta. That means this and this is there. Which is not there? Cos theta is not there. So cos theta will multiply with this cos square theta, becomes cos cube theta. Now, if you have got this much, then next step. Now nothing else. We have to use the formula a cube minus b cube. Your formula for a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is your formula. A cube minus b cube formula is your a minus b, a square minus plus ab plus b square. Now here we will use, this is your a cube, this is your b cube. So sin theta minus cos theta, this is your a minus b, sin theta minus cos theta, and a square, that means sin square theta, AB, that means sin theta cos theta, plus B square, that means cos square theta, whole by this whole set. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Next step, so you can see this sin theta minus cos theta, this sin theta minus cos theta, same, no? So get cancelled. Then this sin square theta and cos square theta I will write together. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Now this sin square theta plus cos square theta is your formula, says 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. After this, now see splitting. Okay, this part is splitting we will do. So see how we will do. So this 1 also will be with this, and this whole set also will be with this. Okay, so 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. It is LCM or splitting of LCM. We have done this kind of question also, splitting. Now here only thing is, earlier questions used to have only one suppose sin theta or cos theta. Here whole sin theta cos theta is there. So whole sin theta cos theta will come 2 times. It will be 2 splitted. Okay. Now this whole get cancelled, remaining is 1, and this one. Now this is what you have to remember. 1 by, I will write this one, 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta plus 1. I don't know whether you understood this one or not. Here I am doing is into. Okay. There it is, we are doing is splitting. Now when we do splitting, it got splitted 2 times. Okay, people used to get mistake that this one here what happened, otherwise they will do is they will make mistake is 1 by sin theta they will write, and sin theta cos theta by cos theta they will write. Split sin theta into sin theta and cos theta two different places, but that is not the rule. Okay, when we do splitting of addition or something, so LCM, it is like LCM we are doing, and here we are doing is into this one you are breaking. Now here what happened, 1 1 ja 1, cos theta into sin theta becomes cos theta sin theta, is it or not? And here it is plus, so this sin theta cos theta will become 1s, and then this is 1 into sin what I am saying, so this is same, then 1 plus sin square theta will come. Okay, now 1 by sin theta is your cosec theta, then 1 by cos theta is your sec theta plus 1, that is your RHS. 1 plus sec theta cos theta, 1 plus you can write sec theta cos theta, same thing. Okay, so just rearrange them, it will become RHS.